Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add a guest to a Trello board with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing ideas, or just keeping someone updated, adding a guest is quick and easy. Log into your Trello account. If you want a faster login, use the Google sign-in option to skip typing passwords. Navigate to the board you want to share from your dashboard, or open it from a saved link. At the top right corner of the board, click Share. In the sharing menu, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Double-check the spelling to make sure the invitation reaches the right person. Once Trello shows the correct profile, click it to confirm, then open the Member drop-down menu. Choose Observer if you want your guest to only view the board without making changes. This is perfect for stakeholders or clients who just need updates. Finally, click Share again to send the invitation and give your guest access to the board. And that's it. You've successfully added a guest to your Trello board. This simple step makes collaboration smoother and keeps everyone on the same page. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials.